Hello friends, it's me Saifan Abdullah from Famous English Language Center, Bangladesh. My batch number is YA145 and today I'm the host and this is the blue team. Introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, it's me the Famous and Center, Bangladesh, and this is my partner.
Assalamualaikum everyone, it's me Naful Shakut.
And this is the red team. Introduce yourself.
Assalamualaikum everyone, it's me Shari from Batch KET 135 and this is my partner.
Hello everyone, my name is Shafasani Shabab. I am from YLE 145.
And so let's get started with the blue team. Question 1. Who watched the cows from a distance? A. Number wolves. B. Tigers and lions. C. Foxes. D. Dogs.
The answer is number B, tigers and lions.
No, the answer. You are correct. Blue team got 5 points. And now the red team. Number 2. Why couldn't the predators attack the cows? A. The cows were too fast. B. The cows were too big. C. The cows stayed united. D. The predators were afraid.
Answer number C.
You are correct. The red team got 5 points, and the blue team. The question number 3. What did the cows from when they stood together? As A. A circle. B. A straight line. C. A team. D. A triangle.
The answer is C.
You are wrong. The answer is A. Now let's start with and the red team. What protect the cows from dangers? A. Their speed. B. Their unity. C. Their horns. D. Their hiding place.
The answer is B.
You are correct. So the audience, the red team is the winner. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening to us. Bye bye.